Friends, in this video I am going to describe about the dream of a man who wants to colonize Mars. The name of this man is Elon Musk and the name of his dream project is called SpaceX. So how SpaceX was founded? What are the difficulties Elon Musk has to face in his early days? How he established his SpaceX company and how he will achieve his dream to colonize Mars? All these things I am going to discuss in this video. So please watch this video till the end. I am very sure that this video will inspire you in many ways to achieve your dream also. So friends, let's start the video. Elon Musk was born on 28th of June 1971 in South Africa. At the age of 10, Musk has very high curiosity in computers. Musk has created a game called Blaster at the age of only 12. And he sold this game to a magazine for $500. He studied physics and economics at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. With $28,000 of money in hand, Elon Musk and his brother Kimball started Zip2, which is a web startup that provided city travel guides to newspaper. In later 1999, they sold Zip2 to Compaq Computers for $307 million. He invested half of his investment to co-found X.com, which is an online banking service. This company finally merged with his rival company and became PayPal, with Musk having majority of shares. In the year 2002, eBay bought PayPal and Musk walked away with the money of $180 million. In the year 2002, Musk conceptualized a project to land a small experimental greenhouse on Mars. To fulfill his dream, Musk traveled to Russia to buy intercontinental ballistic missiles, which is also called ICBMs. Musk has a plan to send colony of mice to Mars using these ICBMs. Russian offered $8 million to sell one rocket. Musk felt that it is very much overpriced. The Russians even taunted Elon Musk. They said, "Oh little boy, you don't have the money." Who knows at the time that one day this little boy would become the world's richest man? Musk at that time replied that, "I think we can build rocket ourselves." After that, he stormed out of that meeting. On the flight back from Moscow, Musk realized that he could start a company which could build affordable rocket which he needed for the Mars mission. Musk calculated that the raw materials for building a rocket actually were only 3% of the sales price of a rocket at that time. SpaceX could cut a launch price by a factor of 10 and still enjoy a 70% gross margin. Elon Musk founded SpaceX in the year 2002 with a gross investment of $100 million in it. Musk has a goal to develop spacecraft for commercial space travel. In the year 2006, the first SpaceX rocket has been launched. However, it failed in just 33 seconds of its launch. Elon Musk launched his second and third spacecraft in the year 2007 and 2008 respectively. But both are failed to establish the credibility of the company SpaceX. The third failure almost ended the dream of Elon Musk's space journey. The company was running in huge loss and Elon Musk has very little money left by which he could afford to launch only one more spacecraft. On 28th of September 2008, the fourth launch of SpaceX, named as Falcon 1 rocket, successfully launched and placed into the Earth orbit. History was made. Falcon 1 was the first privately developed liquid fuel rocket to orbit the Earth. On December 23rd, NASA awarded SpaceX $1.6 billion contract to handle cargo transport for the International Space Station. In future, SpaceX will play a very crucial role for the transportation of astronauts. In 2011, SpaceX announced Reusable Launch System Development Program. After a few failure attempts, SpaceX achieved a successful landing and recovery of a first stage in December 2015. In March 2017, SpaceX relaunched the used rocket and brought it back by landing it in the ocean. It was a perfect landing. All rockets are designed to burn up on re-entry, but SpaceX rocket not only withstand re-entry but also it can land back on Earth safely, and the same rocket can be relaunched. Elon Musk believes that a fully and rapidly reusable rocket is needed to reduce the cost of space travel. He has a plan to build a city on Red Planet. We hope that in near future human would become an interplanetary species. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So in near future, do we plan a vacation on Mars? What is your thought? Please comment down below. If you do like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end. We'll see you very soon in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.